January the 19th, 2011. Wow. And happy birthday, Nancy. Good news. We are winning the war on global warming. It's too cold for me. I'm going back down south. Maybe I can't get south far enough. Maybe I'll have to go down to South America or something. Anyway, you know that this webcast is about investments. And for a long time it has been about stocks, because that's been the top dog in investments. Man, the market came back and things have been great. But it's about making money. And the focus has now changed. Actually, it changed about 2 months ago. Real estate is the new venue. I have asked my attorney to take one of my old companies that's still open, still have bank accounts and stuff like that. It's been around for about 20 years doing a little bit of a big nothing. Anyway, I've asked Jack to take that and turn that into an LLC, and we're going to do real estate investments. Now, you know that both of my sons are now in real estate. Alex is a realtor down south in Palm Beach County, and Stephen is up here at Windy Hill with me. Stephen's with Keller Williams in Tallahassee, and Alex is with Realty World in South Florida. And what we're going to do with this company is we're going to buy real estate at auction, we're going to manage that real estate, and we're either going to rent that real estate or sell it and hopefully make a profit. It shouldn't be too hard to do these days. Now, this is much too big for me to just do it alone. So what we're going to do is we're going to take in investors, and we're going to work with these investors, and so that the best investors will feel secure, they're going to actually own the real estate. I mean, if they're putting their money into it, they're not going to feel comfortable if we own it, and besides, it'll be much too hard to manage as a real estate investment trust or anything like that, and figure who made how much and stuff like that. So individual investors will own individual properties. We'll own some too. I'll own some, actually with my two sons, and that's the way it's being established. So we're going to buy them at auction, we're going to buy them in short sales, and we're going to manage them. So if you want to get involved in something like that, get in touch with me. What we'll do is these properties are on the internet, so you'll be notified of the property, and we'll set limits of a high end of what we're going to pay for them. Of course, low end is not a problem. We'll pay whatever as low as we can. But if we go to an auction and we bid on a property, then you have a ceiling you set at that property of how much you're willing to go on it. And if somebody else is willing to go higher, that property could pass you by and go higher and go to someone else. And we'll manage that property, renovate it. Alex, my oldest son, actually is in that business as well, managing construction projects, renovation projects, and things like that. So, a new day, and we're going to have a new focus in some of our investments. That doesn't mean that we won't be doing equities and things like that. We will. There are a lot of good investments still out there. But the focus is now shifting to real estate. And I hope you decide you want to come along with it. It's much too big for me to tackle alone. I need help. Remember, the market will do whatever it has to do to prove the most people wrong. And when people think it's time to run, it's probably time to charge.